2025 has been a crazy year. If you haven't seen us, I'm Trace, the owner of Walters Renovations. Today, we're gonna visit 6 of our favorite projects from this year, so come check it out. All right, this is a project in Arcadia. We finished at the 1st of 2025. We did the front yard and the backyard. The pool got remodeled. Come check it out. Okay, so on this project, we did all the limestone around the pool. The pool was remodeled. We built these retaining walls. We did like over 100 plants. There was like, I think it was closer to 200 plants on this project. The big palm trees, all the grass and irrigation in the front yard. This one was really fun and a big project. So before, this was all blank and it was just like a big sloping grade. So we built a retaining wall for like a walking path. Did this little, we called this the Jurassic side because it kind of reminds us of Jurassic Park, all the palm trees and the ferns and stuff. All right, stop number 2. This is the Sunken Jewel. The Sunken Jewel got a lot of attention on social media. So here it is. So the sunken area, the star of the show, this used to be their front yard, so we added all the space, dug this out, big fire pit. We called it the Sunken Jewel, obviously, because there's so much tile and shiny, feels like a jewel. The diamond travertine was a big one. And then this guy right here is the definition of luxury. This 4K aluminum pergola, because it's 2 pergolas in one, and we mixed a ton of materials, did the wood with the black metal. All right, this is stop number 3. This was the Cobra project. We just did the front yard here. Come check it out. So this whole front yard used to just be grass, and homeowners wanted to save water, so we added some turf, new drought-tolerant plants, and built this rad seating area, all stuccoed benches. And these are like the most comfortable benches you will ever sit on. It leans up against your back so perfectly. So homeowners loved it, we loved it too. Stop number 4, this is the tiny home designed by Joel Contreras and built by Walt Reno. Let's take a look. Stop number 5, this is the Tempe L Park project. We did the full front yard, full backyard. Come take a look. My favorite feature of this whole project are these steel planters. They're rusted to match the red wood slats that we installed on the vertical side, and it's actually super comfy to sit on. These turned out sick. So we matched the planter in the backyard, and this is probably my favorite feature. This is all concrete poured in place, and I mean, the fire rips. Like, that is hot. Final stop of the day, our 6th project that we're checking out. This is the Pepper project. Let's go take a look. All right, this was a full front yard remodel. We built this courtyard fence, utilized the redwood, all of the breeze block, all the hardscape, all the turf. This front yard was literally all rock before we started. So we did the design and we handled the construction. I had 2 favorite things on this project. The breeze block that we used, and we painted it a different color to kind of match the house and the historic vibe. And then the redwood slats that we did on the front yard, courtyard fence turned out amazing. I think it looks so good. That's a wrap for 2025. Shout out to all the clients, everybody that made this year possible for us. See you guys in 2026.